Of Oliver. You wanna see how high we are? Yeah, you could commit suicide here. Let's see if I can get even closer shot. Oh wait, that's the lake, Mirror Lake. This is hot. Just by looking down, I feel like the ground is shaking underneath you, so you're gonna fall or something. Even holding the camera like this makes me want to fall. Oliver's here. You know, I don't even know how well you could get a clear sense of the depth here. Because obviously you're watching this on a 2D screen. So I'm gonna move the camera around, maybe to play with the angles. Maybe like that. Maybe that's a good. Hopefully that kind of shows how far down that is. I'll probably let this video run for a while. So even closer. Oh shoot. Nice. This is Lake Louise right here. Nice and blue. Same as all the other lakes. I don't want to explain again, so just look back in the previous videos. I hear some Mandarin speaking people down there. Man, just even, I'm leaning against a rock and just looking down at the Mirror Lake makes me want to fall. Like I'm gonna slip. I guess it's like a natural fear mechanism to keep us alive. Feels like I'm gonna drop this camera too. Alright, I guess I'll take more pics. I don't really know which way we came. Did we come from that trail? Maybe. There's Oliver going crazy. I'm holding my camera extra tight. Alright, since I'm just showing the same thing over and over again, one last pan. Let's go from the shelter, overlook shelter. There's 3 other people up there. Too bad the weather's not as good. Every time you get to Banff, it's really cloudy. I think that would be a good shot. Do you guys want a closer view? maybe I'll go on that ledge. Yeah, right. Even looking at it makes me want to fall. Yo, be careful, man. There's nothing you need to risk your life for. Alright, I'm turning off the camera just in case Oliver falls. Actually, no, let's keep it running. This would be awesome. Yeah, I bet as mom's watching this video, she's having a heart attack. Alright, let's take a move. Sorry for the shaky cam. I'm holding on to everything. There's Oliver. Let's see where he's at. right there. From my view, he looks like he's just like right at the edge, but there's actually a rock underneath his feet. Maybe you could see it here, but it's hot. So we're running 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Let me try something. Oh, the sun is coming up behind me.